device is not working. Now I will show you why. How do I do? I know that it's not working. First of all, I connect this to the phone. There is no notification about this. Something is plugging in. Now I'm going to plug in the LAN cable to the laptop. So again, there is no notification about something is plugging in. Okay. Also, there is no option to enable USB tear the in. Okay. So now we'll unplug it. Now I'm going to plug it in directly to the laptop. So as you can see, phone is working. This device is not working. Thank you.
Mommy, I got to.